Good morning. This is cause number 2021-28431. In the interest of Matthew and Mia Barajas, all parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Unmute yourself, Ms. Padu. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Paula Garcia, I'm the primary custodial parent.
All right, and representing the Attorney General of the state of Texas.
Leader Sharma.
All right, court will note that the non-custodial parent is Alejandro Barajas. Mr. Barajas personally served on November 20th, 2021 at 1:30 p.m. at 904 Pleasant Drive in Baytown, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, I would like to begin with Ms. Badu.
Go ahead.
Ms. Badu, state your full name for the court.
Natasha Bidu.
And you are employed with the Office of the Attorney General?
That's correct.
And what is your position there?
I'm a child support officer.
And can you please share your responsibilities as a child support officer?
Yes, one of my responsibilities as a child support officer is to investigate and calculate non-custodial parent wage information based on Texas Family Code. And excuse me.
And you have calculated child support in this matter?
I have.
Can you please share your calculations?
Sure. The non-custodial parents' gross income is $7,371.67. His net, of which we're setting support based on, is $5,346.64. There's one outside child, so we're setting child support based on 22.5% of his net. And that would give us child support of $1,203 per month beginning April 1st, with a medical support of $442 per month also beginning April 1st.
Thank you. And have you calculated retro back support on this case as well?
Yes, I was able to calculate retroactive child support from the time period of March 1st, 2018 until today, March 29, 2022, a total judgment of $58,741.67 with the recommended payout of $344 per month beginning April 1st, 2022.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
Ms. Paola, do you have any questions of Ms. Padu?
No, sir.
All right, Ms. Sharma, can we excuse her?
Yes, Judge.
All right, you're excused, Ms. Padu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I would like to call Ms. Garza next. Ms. Garza, state your full name for the court.
Paola Garza.
And we are here for two children, Matthew and Maya.
Yes, ma'am.
Mia. And who is the father of the two children?
Alejandro Barajas.
And how do you know he's the father?
We had our children together when we were in a marriage relationship.
Okay, you say marriage. Were you legally married with Mr. Barajas?
No, it was common law marriage.
Thank you. And when did you separate?
March of 2018.
Thank you. And you're asking the court to establish a legal relationship between Mr. Barajas and the children?
Yes.
And you believe that joint marriage and conservatorship is in the best interest of the children?
Yes.
And you're asking court to set a standard possession order for Mr. Barajas to visit the children on the first, third, and fifth weekends of the month?
Yes,
And how are the children covered under health insurance?
they currently have Medicaid.
And you understand the court is going to order you to maintain that health insurance for the children?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're asking the court order Mr. Barajas to reimburse that at $442 a month beginning April 1?
Yes,
And uncovered health costs, you understand, will be the responsibility of you and Mr. Barajas, correct?
yes,
And are you asking the court to order Mr. Barajas pay $1,203 in child support for both children beginning April 1?
yes,
And from the date of separation, March 1 of 2018, you're asking the court to order that Mr. Barajas be ordered to pay a back judgment of $58,741.67.
yes,
And it is your testimony today that Mr. Barajas has paid nothing directly to you for the support of the children since the date of separation.
yes,
And are you asking the court to order he pay that at $344 a month?
yes.
If court costs are billed, who should pay those?
Alejandro?
And have you reviewed and signed this order and believe it's in the best interest of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.